What is civil engineering? Civil engineering is one of the oldest and most essential branches of engineering. It involves the design, construction, and maintenance of the built environment, including structures like buildings, roads, bridges, dams, and water supply systems. Civil engineers play a crucial role in shaping the infrastructure that supports modern society. Key areas of civil engineering. Structural engineering. This area focuses on designing and analyzing structures that can safely withstand the loads and forces they encounter, such as buildings, bridges, and tunnels. Transportation engineering. Civil engineers in this field work on the planning, design, and operation of transportation systems, including highways, railways, airports, and urban transit systems. Geotechnical engineering. This specialization deals with the behavior of earth materials and the design of foundations, retaining walls, and other structures that interact with the ground. Environmental engineering. Environmental engineers address issues related to water and air pollution, waste management, and sustainable design. They work to protect and improve the natural environment. Water resources engineering. This field focuses on the management and distribution of water resources, including the design of dams, canals, pipelines, and sewage systems. Construction engineering. Construction engineers oversee the construction process, ensuring projects are completed on time, within budget, and according to specifications. Importance of civil engineering. Civil engineering is vital for the development and sustainability of our communities. It ensures that the infrastructure we rely on is safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Some of the key contributions of civil engineering include improving quality of life. By designing and constructing reliable infrastructure, civil engineers help improve the quality of life for people around the world. Economic development, efficient transportation networks, safe buildings, and adequate water supply systems are essential for economic growth and development. Disaster mitigation. Civil engineers design structures and systems that can withstand natural disasters such as earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes, helping to save lives and reduce economic losses. Environmental protection. Through sustainable design and environmental engineering, civil engineers work to minimize the impact of human activities on the natural environment. Civil engineering is a dynamic and evolving field that combines technical knowledge with creative problem-solving to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. Whether you're passionate about building skyscrapers, designing transportation systems, or developing sustainable solutions, a career in civil engineering offers endless opportunities to make a significant impact on society.